Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's have a look at this 2017 CR-V, stock number 24188B. I'm going to start with a walk around of the vehicle. We see the front tires here. I have about 10-30 seconds tread life left. And the rear tires are the same, almost new. About 10-30 seconds left as well. Around the other side of the CR-V, I've got the wheels off. We can have a look at the brakes. We've just replaced the rear pads and rotors. And the front pads and rotors are also like new with 90% pad life left. I've got the CR-V right up in the air now for a good look underneath. I've gone over the rear suspension. Everything's in good shape. The exhaust system's complete, no leaks. Drive shaft hanger bearing and U-joints are in good shape. Up front, the front suspension has been checked. It's in good shape. And we have also replaced the right front lower control arm. Under the hood, we have the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that's just had the engine oil and filter changed. We have also changed the engine air filter and the cabin pollen filter and topped up any other fluids needed. The CR-V has also just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this CR-V with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop by for a test drive. Have a great day.